Morning guys, time for some breakfast. Look at this unit. The things you look the most forward to are the nice unlimited breakfast things. But I took it easy today. Some bread. Croissant. Some yogurt. Okay, new day, new time to ride. Let's fire this thing up. Oh. 285 kilometers today. Not very much. Expecting a little bit of rain. But so far, very nice weather. Bye. So first a little tank stop, because we are in Luxembourg and the fuel is 1.55 here compared to the €2 in the Netherlands. And then we continue the ride to the Vosges in France. Nice. Half a liter over my tank. Stupid. Hallo, tankplaats 8. Merci beaucoup. Zo, ik zweet me rot hè. So we have it currently 16 degrees. And we already did 500.7 kilometers yesterday and today. Full tank, ready to hit another 280. And we slept quite nice, although the pillow was a little bit too soft, but the hotel was very quiet and we had a lovely breakfast. We delayed ourselves a little bit today. It's almost 11 o'clock in the morning, because the weather forecast will be a little bit bad, and if we went out later, then we hope we don't catch all the rain. Nice. From the city right into the forest. It smells foresty. How do you say that? It smells like forest. A little bit colder here. Vive la France! You see that, Lisa? So we arrived in France. Had some lovely forest rides, and now, as you can see on the drone, it's all flat and green, and the weather is 21 degrees. We expect some rain, like I told you 1000 times already, but we have the rain pants underneath the motorcycle pants on, so it's quite hot, but when riding it's just okay. And so far so good. Now by the little, Lisa will get us some snacks, because it's France, they are in our lunchtime, they are closing, so at least we have some snacks and we can stop where we want to have something to drink and eat. We are getting in a pretty environment already, with very long distance views. Finally a place where we can ride a little bit faster.
Oh, look at these lovely cows. What are we crossing? Water crossing. Oh. Cool. I believe these are our first mountains. Little mountain with wet roads. We avoided the rain, so that's good. Oh, danger. More lovely views. Nice. Pretty. We don't have that in the Netherlands. Oh, bird! Bird alert! This is a very nice road to ride fast. But there are deers over here, so I do not have plans to hit a deer. Look at this nice bike. The girlfriend on it. We just passed the 100 kilometer for today's ride. And now we are hungry and looking for some place to eat. Hungry. We are getting hungry. But the roads are beautiful over here. Nice and flowy. We don't see any people around here. And we're just cruising our way more to the south. For the last hour or so we only have these kind of roads. Very lovely, very nice. From a small village, lovely back roads into another small village. Still looking for some food. But if I look on the map, I believe that there will be a bigger city with something to eat. Huh. Nice roads with some nice curves. So we are looking for food, still looking for food, and we decided to drive around 15 to 20 minutes off the route to end up at a McDonald's, because there is literally nothing on our route. So the route is good, only there is absolutely no food. Let's see if we can park somewhere nice.
The advantage of riding with only the two of us is that you can stop and take a break whenever you want. And we were looking for a stop for the last, well, let's say 1 hour. Only we did not came by anything. And when we saw a restaurant, it was just, well, a little bit too gross to stop over there. Besides that, we took it slow today, with the also the advantage that the rain is gone already. So we don't, I will not say too early, but we probably don't receive any rain on our head today. So very nice.
So we refreshed at the McDonald's and now we skip a little bit of the line, and in 35 kilometers we are back on track again. How did we end up here? (21 degrees). After the long wait, the rain is there. Luckily not too much, but it's there.
Sad but not sad, because we are dry. The rain dance. We probably don't receive any rain on our head today.
Nice rain suit. We have decided to go the fastest way to the hotel. It's still 70 kilometers, but 1 hour shorter. Lovely views of the mountains. Luckily it's not raining very hard, but you do get wet from it. Weird little road, but very nice and green. Hey. Route Paris. Yeah. We have only 4 kilometers left for today. And we are cooked and done, and we need to pee, and we are hungry. But we are there in 4 kilometers. So nice, very nice. We are reaching our destination, and we are reaching the mountains. Small mountains, but pretty mountains. Yeah. We have reached the destination. Nice. Is daar achterplek. Off-road. Oh, zie je plek zat. Wat je wil.
So we made it to the next hotel. There you have it, in this lovely green environment. And the bikes are not our bikes, but these bikes are all nice and dry. Their little girlfriend took a fresh shower. We cut like 100 kilometers off the road, but it took us quite some time to get here. But it was nice. We had a little bit of rain the last hour, but when we had a raincoat on, it was gone already, so perfect. We stay here for 4 nights, and we're gonna explore the area of Col du Bezang, and I hope tomorrow we have the same kind of weather. Dry and warm. And maybe we should try this little hill with KTM.
Me?
Here you have the bikes. Our bikes are over there at the end. People from the UK and from Germany and the Netherlands as well. And here are the bikes. Nice and dry in their own garage. And look at the nice environment. And cozy next to each other. A nice sleeping spot. Are you the happy girlfriend? Look at this enormous tree. Look at that enormous tree. We have room number 5. Very nice and big rooms.
Ready?
Ready for ready.
Happens is that they'll say phone at 8 o'clock in the morning. And so